Game na?
Yeah,
Game.
sure.
Wait, thank you so much first and foremost sa opportunity na to. Napaka-random, Malabon.
Oo nga.
O diba? Sobrang bilyaran sa Malabon.
Oo, bilyaran sa Malabon. It's been a while since napunta ako dito. So yeah, and thank you for inviting me.
Not for a show, but of course, for something secret pa.
Secret ba? So,
Secret pa daw eh.
Ano pag-uusapan natin?
Pag-usapan natin syempre yung North American tour mo.
Yes.
Grabe. Trailblazing in this era of your life because this is the first time this is gonna be distributed in North America na Filipino documentary. I mean, ever since Proud Pinoy kami dahil sa'yo.
Wow.
Pero, di ba, parang to see this piece of media, this art, not just with Filipino eyes, anong pakiramdam mo dun?
May halong excitement and trepidation also dahil it's parang a different kind of ball game dahil we're talking about the center of arts and culture in the that side of the globe and we never know kung ma-appreciate nila yung kwento ng like a rock band in the Philippines, di ba? So, but I'm also excited dahil I'm very optimistic and I think they will find something to like in the documentary and find something to relate to because first of all it's music and there's like genuine human emotions sa movie.
Speaking of, it wasn't just the concert that you did na pinag-usapan doon. There were, yun nga, no, parang yung human emotions nyo, pinakita nyo rin. Was there a challenge for you going back to show your vulnerable side?
It was challenging mainly to parang dig deep into the past. But like I always said, kung may magtanong sa amin dyan, kahit sa ang kanto dyan, random person na magtanong sa amin, kamusta? Anong nangyari dun sa banda nyo? I think lahat kami will like flow with information dahil we've always wanted to talk about that. Like, yung mga hindi nasasabi before, parang may floodgates na open.
What was the... Sa sobrang dami ng feedback, what stuck with you? Pwedeng galing sa Pinoy, pwedeng hindi galing sa Pinoy.
Well, I really appreciated yung feedback ng of course, mga diehard fans na matagal nang gusto kami makita ulit na magkakasama. And I love that na-appreciate nila yung honesty namin and yung journey ng banda with the reunion and getting back together. And they were just very, very happy na nangyari yung film na to.
And right now, parang you're... I just learned, of course you do write, pero you also write stories. What do you find yourself writing about?
Stories?
Yeah.
When I write songs, it's mostly like
stories.
It's very cinematic. There's a flow. May kwento talaga. And you see that one of the best examples, syempre, yung magazine and El Bimbo. And I guess I'm just a natural storyteller, you know?
So, pero iba-ibang form pala. Like, meron din sa movie.
Yeah. So I also love film. Like I always said, anything that has to do with film, I will do it. Kaya nga nandito ako ngayon, doing this thing. And I love telling stories and I took up film, yun nga. And I did wanna go into writing and I've written a couple of stuff here.
How did your Cinemalaya performance change you as an artist or add to what you already know?
It made me really appreciate more the work that goes into acting, you know, kasi so much discipline involved and so much parang self-control, self-improvement, character, your personal character-wise, and your mental capacity to actually give a very, very good performance. So yeah, hats off to real actors, you know.
Ikaw, real actor ka din naman. Imagine, Cinemalaya. Not everyone does Cinemalaya. Even the mainstream actors we see today, it will take a lot for them to get cast.
I guess I need more work, you know, to consider myself a real actor.
Correct.
Yeah.
Why would you say that?
No, I don't want to take away from the actual people
Who does it
who does it
on the
for a
day-to-day?
living, for a living, you know.
Wow. But what genre are you most drawn into pagdating sa acting? Or meron ba kaming magugulat kami pag nalaman namin, ay, nanonood ka pala nun?
What do you mean?
Na mga show.
Show?
Oo. Show, movie.
I love comedies. I love horror movies. I love drama. I love everything actually.
K-drama.
K-drama.
Nasubukan ko, nabudol ka na ba?
Hindi pa naman.
Oo.
Hindi pa. Pero nanonood ako ng mga reality TV na mga Korean, like yung mga cooking
Oo.
contests, yung mga yung Squid Game, yung mga ganun.
Ayan.
Actually, K-drama ba yung Squid Game?
Okay,
Oh,
series.
yeah.
Oh!
Yeah. Yun lang yung medyo talagang nagustuhan ko so far.
In fairness, di ba? Parang kakaiba rin talaga yung atake nila sa treatment,
Iba
sa
naman
pagsulat.
Oo.
But in this era of your life as an artist, where do you see yourself, kumbaga, saying yes to what types of projects?
Like you said, at this point in my life, I'm pretty much a yes man. I'll take anything.
Sinong gusto mong katrabaho? A very showbiz question.
Oh wow! I grew up loving 80s action movies. So I'm a big fan of FPJ. Sadly, he passed away. Lito Lapid is one of my idols. Drama wise, I think William Martinez is a pretty good actor. Again, Eddie Garcia, too bad. Halos lahat ng sikat na actors and actresses I would love to work with. Yeah.
Wow. And we can't wait to see more of you there. But syempre, let's talk about you again. Let's circle back dun sa US and Canada. Is there anything that you're preparing differently this time around when you see your kababayans there? Yearly mo naman ata sila nakikita, pero iba to, di ba? Kasi syempre,
yeah, iba rin. Siyempre, iba na yung, kahit sabihin mo Pinoy sila, iba na yung culture nila. But again, I'm going back to, there are universal themes in the documentary, which I think anyone from any country will relate to. Yeah.
That's nice. Yun na lang, last. Yung mga batang nakikinig sa'yo ngayon, natatouch ka ba pag mini-message ka nila? O nagtitiktok ka ba? Nakikita mo ba yung mga kanta mo?
Oh,
Ginagawang
very
Totoo! Nag-rabbit hole ka rin sa TikTok?
Yeah, I have a TikTok account. I have an Instagram account. So I always believe, you have to parang adapt to the times. You know, if you wanna stay in the know and be current, and you still try to improve yourself. Parang don't be static and stagnant. Keep moving.
We would think kasi na baka mamaya may TikTok ka pero di ka active. Alam mo yun, yung parang you're just there or hindi ka naglo-lurk kung tawagin.
Lurk sa account ko?
Like tumitingin-tingin ka ba ng mga account?
I do check my account. Yeah. And sometimes I reply. Nag-reply ako sa mga
Ayun, medyo
comments.
nakita ko naman yun. Pero we didn't know you were active. Active ka rin ba sa mga Gen Z terms? Yung mga clock it, ganyan?
Yun. Hindi ko alam kung saan ako magsisimula doon.
Pero yeah.
Wala akong alam.
Pero open ka rin makipag-collab. Hindi nyo uso ngayon, di ba? Yung collab. Dati di ba featuring ganito ngayon, collab?
Yeah. Collab. Kung ibig mo sabihin yung
P-pop.
music.
Oo, music-wise.
Yeah. I'm always open to that. Yeah.
Do you listen to the youngins right now?
Yeah. I'm always up to date nga dahil I own a record label.
Yes.
You know.
Yeah, nakita ko nga kahapon.
Yeah, I have to listen to the new stuff. Yeah.
Mhm.
So I'm a fan of course, Evos and
Inamori.
yeah, and Fitter Karma. Yeah, stuff like that. I really like. Yeah.
Na proud ka ba because you paved the way for them and now you're one of those, of course, 'di ba? That is considered the living legends of OPM. Now, ang gagaling din ng mga new artists.
Oh yeah, definitely. There's always new blood that parang gives something new to the art form, and I really appreciate it when they say na, oh, you're one of our influences. Makakataba ng puso.
Thank you. Congrats and we hope to see you and hindi ko tinanong na yung Eman. O ikat na natin yun. Oh, hindi na. Because prelude to